Hello everyone. Today I'll be giving you a beans and carrot side dish recipe. If you have beans and carrot in hand, this will be a very easy recipe to follow. Ingredients are 1.5 cups French beans, 1 cup carrots, half cup onions, 3 pearl onions, 2 green chilies, 4 small garlic cloves, half teaspoon each of turmeric powder and red chili powder, and salt as required. Moving on to the procedure, heat a wok and about 1 tablespoon of olive oil or any oil that you prefer would be more than enough. Once the oil is warm, you can add the garlic and green chilies and saute it for about 10 to 15 seconds. After this, you can add the onions. I would prefer to use more of pearl onions than the normal onions. I just did not have stock of it when I was recording this video for you guys. Next, add the turmeric powder and red chili powder and saute these very well. You can add a teaspoon of water if you find it too dry during this time. After sauteing it for almost a minute, you can add the carrots and beans. Add salt as well and combine it very well. Saute it for about a minute or two. After that, you can add water in such a way that it is not immersed fully, but at the same time, just enough for the carrots and beans to cook. Close the wok with a lid and let it cook for about 10 minutes. Once open, you need to check if the carrots and beans are cooked. This can be checked by checking if these can be cut very easily and smoothly like this. If it doesn't, then that means it is not cooked yet, so you might need to add a little more water. But usually within 10 minutes it will be ready, and you just need to wait until the water is evaporated completely. So with just 1 tablespoon of olive oil, we made a healthy side dish with beans and carrots. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done already. Take care. Bye-bye.